are you gonna do today?
Skate on the ice rink before the ice game. Nashville Predators.
It's gonna be so lit. Skating on the official NHL ice.
Yeah.
Getting ready.
I might steal a puck too.
You're gonna steal a puck?
Maybe.
What?
Do you think I'm gonna win the game? Am I gonna win the game?
I think she
Wanna
said
go
yeah.
to win the game? Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, she's nodding. All right,
I'm gonna win then.
let's go.
Feel gigantic.
Baller. Baller. Goodbye.
Break it up. Wait, hey. Hey guys, break it up.
Hey, you guys know the rule, right? When we do that chant, we just wait an extra minute, an extra 2 minutes, an extra 3 minutes.
Your grandpa's up there. Papa, oh, your dad's over there.
Oh, nice shot. This lady. Yeah. How was it? What do you want to tell your fans on YouTube?
I love hockey a lot. Like and subscribe.